me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss on the topic Python variables. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python variables. So variables are the containers in which the values of the data is being stored. So now we'll discuss how to create the variables. That is the first question, that is creating variable. So to create a variable, first of all we have to put a data. Suppose my value of the data is, suppose I am putting it 2, and after that I will put this into a variable, that is x. So this is my variable and this is my input of the data. This value is being stored into x. So now we'll print this, the value of x. If we print the value of x, so the 2 will be declared, the output will be 2. So in this way we can use another example. Suppose I am taking 1.2, putting this into a variable. Suppose my variable name is y and I am printing this. Suppose print function, and then I want to print the value of y. So the output will be 1.2. So another example of the variable is as like, that is casting a variable. So example of a casting variable is, suppose I am taking a value that is 2 and the casting is done that 2 is an integer. So I am writing here int. Suppose second one is a string, that is name Rupali. So it is a string, so I will write here str, that is used for string. So I will put these into a variables. Suppose the first variable name is a, second is b. So now I need the output of the both. So I will write here print a. So the output will be, that is integer value, that is 2. So the second value is print the value of b variable. So that is a string, it will be printed as Rupali in the next output line. So in this way we can use the casting variables in the Python programming language. So another example is to get a type, that is get a type. Suppose I need a type of a variable, so we'll write here that is 1. Second example is Rupali, and third example is 1.2. So I have taken here 3 examples. Now I will put these into a variable. Suppose my first variable is a, second is b, and third one is c. So these are the different values I have been taken. So after that I need a type of the variables. So I will print here, that is, for this I will use print in brackets, after that type, after that the first variable, that is a, after that second is print type of b variable, third is print type of variable last, that is c. So the output for the first will be 1, that is, so we need a type. So the first output will be 1 is a number, that is called an integer. So the output will be int, because we need the type of the variable. So the variable type is int, that is integer. So the second output will be of the b, that is a string, that is str, because it is a string variable. So after that the c is 1.2. 1.2 refers to decimal, it called as a float. So the output for the c type is float. So in this way we can use the get a type of a variable in the Python programming language. And after that another example is is case sensitive. Case sensitive is like I have taken two values. Suppose first one is ABC and second is big ABC. So I have taken the same variable, but first is small a and the second one is big A. So how the output will be there? Print the value of small a and print the value of big A. So these are known as the case sensitive. The alphabet is same, but the writing content is different. It is small a and this is a big A. So the first output of the A will be ABC, which is small, and second one is ABC. So this is known as the case sensitive variable. So next one is the double variable or single variable. Suppose I have taken two values. The value is AB and second is ABC. So I have taken the same variable's name, that is x, and also x here. So now I will be printing the value of x. If I write print x, so both the value will be printed because the variable name is same. So it will be printed as AB and ABC. So in this way we can use the double variables in the Python programming language.
So today we are going to discuss on the topic that is Python variables. So now we'll do some examples of the Python variables, how we can use it. So first of all, I have taken a variable name that is x and the value is 1. Second variable is y and the value is 1.2. And now we will print the value of the variable x and the variable name y. So we can see the output of variable name x, that is 1, and the y variable value is 1.2. So this is the simplest way to use the variables in the Python. So the next example is as like we can use x is equal to int, that is integer, and this is 1.2. So this is how we can use the casting variables. Second is y, float, and the value is 1. So now we will print these values of the variables, that is x, which is an integer. So we can see here 1.2 is not printed. The value of integer has been printed, that is 1. And in second case 1 is printed as 1.2, 1.0 as the example of float. So the another example is x is equals to 1. So we are using the variables to get the type of the variable value. So print the type of the variable. Suppose my first variable is x. So I need to know the type. We'll enter this and we can see the class type is int, that is integer. So the number is 1. As same, we will print the second variable, that is print type y. So now we can see the enter output. The class is float because it is a decimal value. So this is how we can use the types of variables. And after that, the another example of the variable is like my variable name is a is equals to the value is 1 and the next is a, that is capital. It is known as the case sensitive variable. The alphabets are same but first one is small and the second one is capital. So we can see the output of the first one, that is 1. So the print second capital A and see the output, that is 2. So these are the case sensitive variables used in Python. So another example, that is variable name x and the value is 1 and second is x and the value is 2. So this is the double variable. So we'll print the value of x. So we can see the output, that is 2. So this output has been printed. So we can also use the double variables also. So this is the double variables. So in this type we can use the many variations of variable in the Python programming language into different types.
So thanks for watching our session. Now we'll meet in our next session with some new ideas. Thank you.